Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get back your archive list on Trello. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to Trello and then log into your account. Alright, so now let's head on to our board, and here you can see we have a task list over here. Now first let's archive this. So here, as you can see, we can just archive this list over here. Now as you can see, it is gone. So how can we get it back? So it is very simple. All you have to do is, on the right hand side you can see the three triple dots. All you have to do is click over here, and here you can see archived items. Click over here, and now all you have to do is click on switch to lists. Alright, once you have done that, here we can see our list that we had archived earlier. So now to get back, all you have to do is click on send to board, and there you go, now it is back. So yeah, that is how you can get back your Trello archive list. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.